How is everybody doing today? My name is Hayden Wendell. It is hot in Dallas. Behind me, I have an awesome Cape Cod style townhome, 3-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,365 square feet, listed right under $850,000. You have your own private upstairs outdoor living area with skyline views of downtown Dallas. Before we go in, I just want to remind y'all, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see, and let's go check out this awesome home. When you walk in, you immediately have one of your bedrooms off of the foyer. Now, they have it set up as an office, little workout room with their Peloton, sliding doors that goes to a turfed backyard, and you do have your full bathroom right here. Shower included, that's glass enclosed. Really, really beautiful. This is your only bedroom and room downstairs. You have your garage, 2-car garage off the foyer as well. But let's go check out upstairs. All right, now that we're on the second level, I just want to show y'all this gorgeous living room. Lots of windows for light to come in. You do have your private sitting area out here, one of many. You do have a fireplace that has textured granite that you'll see throughout the house. Just super open. You do have a half bathroom over there, but it does merge into your dining and your kitchen area. Come check out this awesome kitchen. Same textured granite that is on that fireplace. You'll see it throughout the house. Beautiful subway backsplash. Gas range, stainless steel appliances. Awesome views from that window. It's just super pretty in here. All the colors really bring it out to life. And I mean, this is one of my favorite listings I've ever been in. On the third story, you're immediately greeted with your laundry room, which is nice. It's right off of your primary bedroom. Super pretty. But here you have your primary bedroom. Look at the vaulted ceilings. Window letting in awesome light. And then check out this awesome primary bathroom. How are y'all doing? Huge walk-in shower. I mean, you could fit 8 people in there with a soaking tub. 2 sinks you have. Awesome walk-in closet. And then you have where your business happens. But this primary bedroom, super gorgeous. And I just am loving the Cape Cod style. All right, up this spiral staircase I just walked up, this is your private outdoor living space. Skyline views. I mean, this is just awesome. You don't get this everywhere. So it goes from back there all the way up here, and just imagine at night looking at that view, city lit up, out here with some friends. This is an awesome, entertaining rooftop patio. That is the end of today's tour. I just want to let y'all know, my name's Hayden Wendell. I'm with Rogers, Healy & Associates. I am now officially only a realtor in Dallas-Fort Worth. So if any of y'all need help buying a home, selling a home, if you're looking for an apartment in DFW, let me know. I'm more than happy to reach out, let you know how I can help you and how we can find to get you into your next home. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.